Okay, we made adjustments here. We're taking some out in here. Cut the bottom of the mouth part out and rounded this down and sanded it so the mouth will fit. We've done the back of the head, taking it down so we get the back of the head fit properly. Now we got our center mark here that we made for our stick, so we're going to drill the hole for that so we can set our the stick in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. I'm going to use an 1¼ inch drill bit here. So where we got our center mark, we're going to drill our hole up about 2 inches, between 2 and 2.5. So we're about 2¼ inches there. We've got that in there. We'll check our stick. So that's good. So we're going to go ahead and glue our stick in.
Wait a minute. What do you mean it says? Did you have an item list when you were packing to go to camp?
Yeah, all kids do.
Oh, they do?
Oh, 100%. They send you a list of everything that you're going to need at camp.
I never went to camp. I had friends in my neighborhood that liked me, so we would often play also. As opposed to being thrown into some weird environment with strangers, you know, you do things like hike, exercise, run around, all that.
So we got our stick glued in. So we'll set this side, let it set up, and then we'll be ready to drill our hole for our string.
That won't be as exciting as the cape thing.
Thanks for watching.